This vegan chocolate mousse is a melt-in-the-mouth, silky smooth mousse that's rich in chocolate flavor and tastes almost like ice cream. Make this healthy treat with us and discover it for yourself. Start off by melting some vegan dark chocolate in a microwave over high in 15-second intervals. Mix it well in between until fully melted, then set aside to cool at room temperature. Now into the bowl of a stand mixer, pour the coconut milk and add the melted chocolate, Dutch cocoa powder, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and salt. Mix the ingredients together until it becomes smooth, well combined, and reaches a mousse-like consistency. Then, portion the mousse into serving cups and let it chill for at least 3 hours to set. Once chilled, pipe some coconut whipped cream on top, place some strawberry slices, and sprinkle with chocolate shavings before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.